Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by checking two essentials. Your Apple ID is signed in and your iPhone is running a supported iOS. Open Settings, tap your name to confirm Apple ID. This authorizes downloads and subscriptions. Next, go to Settings General About to check iOS. Update if it's outdated because Apple News needs recent system features. Finally, make sure language and region is set to a supported country. Otherwise, the News app won't appear in the App Store. Once done, move to locating the app. You now search and install. Open the App Store and enter Apple News in the search box. Exact spelling returns the official app. If you don't see it, check your account purchases. Tap your profile icon, then Purchased Not on this iPhone to restore previously hidden or removed apps. Tap Get or the cloud icon to download. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Once the app installs, unlock it and grant necessary permissions, like notifications and location. Finish by customizing your experience. Open Apple News and follow the welcome prompts to pick topics and favorite sources. This trains the feed to show relevant stories. If the app is still missing, check screen time or restrictions for hidden apps, or reinstall the latest iOS update to restore system apps. If your feed stays empty, toggle Wi-Fi or cellular data, sign out and back into your Apple ID, and restart the iPhone. That often clears sync hiccups and gets articles flowing again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.